Are you looking for the best countertop ovens? If your answer is yes, then this video is really very useful for you. There are lots of products available to choose countertop ovens with different prices, benefits, and characteristics. I did hours of extensive research and read tons of reviews to compile a list of perfect products for you. I hope my research will help you to buy the right countertop ovens. To check the updated price and other details of those products, check the links from the description box. Let's jump into the video without any further delay. Number 1. Breville Smart Oven Pro. This Breville Smart Oven Pro is another excellent option for those looking for a countertop oven to bake cakes. This stainless steel model comes with an interior light and a tempered glass door, so you can easily keep an eye on your cake. Its Element X system in their convection setting reduces the total cooking and baking time by up to 30%. It also uses 5 independent quartz elements to provide smart algorithms to create the ideal cooking and baking environment for perfect results every time. No more failed cakes. This model is highly rated with over 6,800 reviews and holds 4.7 out of 5 stars. Number 2. Instant Pot Plus. The Instant Pot Plus 10-in-1 Modern Toaster Oven Combo is a high-quality kitchen appliance that is perfect for cooking a variety of different foods. This toaster oven has many different features, including 10 different cooking functions, a digital timer, and a removable crumb tray. It is also very easy to use, making it the perfect choice for anyone who wants a high-quality countertop oven that is simple to operate. This powerful oven is a convection oven, toaster oven, dehydrator, roaster, pizza oven, and more. With 10 different pre-programmed functions, you can easily bake your favorite chocolate cakes with the push of a button, dehydrate some fruits, and use it to roast chicken, all with one appliance. When I don't have I love making my cakes in this oven, and love how it fits a good-size baking pan for when I make cookies too. The large capacity is perfect for families, or if you like to bake in bulk, and the convection technology ensures evenly baked cakes every time. This is a highly rated appliance with over 5,100 ratings at 4.6 stars. Number 3. Oster Convection Oven. The Oster Extra Large Convection Countertop Oven is an excellent choice for an affordable larger capacity model to bake extra large cakes. This oven has 2 French doors that open wide for easier handling, and dual racks for maximum baking flexibility. You know what this means. You can bake more cakes at one time. No more cake batter sitting out while the first batch goes in. This countertop oven features a turbo convection baking technology for more even baking in less time, and built-in interior lights, so you can conveniently check on your cakes without opening the oven doors. This particular model is highly rated with over 4,800 reviews and holds 4.6 stars. Number 4. Calphalon Quartz Heat Countertop. The Calphalon Quartz Heat Countertop Toaster Oven is an excellent choice for those who want a countertop oven that comes with accessories. Each oven purchase comes with a free baking pan, pizza pan, dehydrator rack, and wire rack. This countertop oven preheats fairly quickly at about 3.5 minutes to get to 300 degrees. The max is 450 degrees. It also holds the set temperature steadily, which is important when baking cakes. The convection setting is much quieter than other models, which is nice if you're looking for a model that's not super loud. That said, this oven is powerful. Its quartz heating element delivers approximately 40% more even heat when compared to conventional tube heating elements. The controls are also very intuitive, and this model has auto shut-off features for extra protection. With a 5-quart capacity and 11 preset functions, you can quickly cook for a crowd and have cake for dessert. Number 5. Cuisinart Taub 260N1. The Cuisinart Taub 260N is a high-quality countertop oven, and one of the best modern toaster ovens out there for baking cakes. This oven has a convection baking setting, which is helpful when you are using this to bake cakes versus just for cooking. As for size, this oven can accommodate a 13-inch pizza, which means you can bake a decently large cake in this oven too. It will also fit not just a 13-inch x 9-inch pan, but 2 pans in one go. This multifunction toaster oven also has a built-in interior light, so can easily check on your cake without opening the oven door. This oven also has a broil function, so you can cook meat and other foods that need to be browned on top. It also has a dual cook convection setting, and more. This oven will get plenty of uses. As a nice bonus, the Cuisinart Taub 260N1 also comes with a baking pan and broiling rack. So that's all about the video. To get helpful videos like this, do subscribe to my channel. and hit the bell icon for quick notifications. If you need more information about those products, check the links from the description below. Please comment below if you have any query about this video. Thanks for watching.